Hello my CIS scholars, how are you all? So children, today we are going to learn one new letter, see, and this is letter T, capital letter T. So today we are going to learn some vocabularies of letter T, sound and how to write capital letter T. Children, see capital letter T. See how it looks like T. This is capital letter T. Now, do you know what is the sound of T? Let's see. T says T. T says T. Now, we will see some vocabularies of letter T. T says T. What is the sound of T? T says T. 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 Turtle. T. T. What is this? Tree. T. T. Tree. Now next. Oh. T. T. Tiger. T. T. Tomato. T. T. What is this? Train. T. T. Train. Okay. Now T. T. Table. T. T. Tooth. T. T. Toys. So many toys. T. T. Toys. Now next. Oh, this you saw previously also. Children, this is standing line pattern and this one is sleeping line pattern. So, how we did in letter L? Same way, here also when you join standing line with sleeping line, will get letter T. So it's very easy to write. This is also very easy to write. When we join standing line plus sleeping line, so we'll get letter, capital letter T. Today we are going to write two pages, that's page number 16 and page number 17. So children, you all get ready with your book, pencil and eraser and open page number 16. See, this is page number 16. So let's start. Trace the letter T over the dotted lines. See, dotted lines again. Color the letter and the objects. This is letter T and object. So we will start from tracing these lines. So children, you have to join these dots. So we will start from here. First is sleeping line. So you will join the dots slowly and you don't lift your pencil. ऐसे नहीं करना है. Continue joining the dots like this. Okay. So this is sleeping line pattern and now you all know how to write standing line. So, by joining the dots slowly like this, okay, so this way, oh, this is letter T. So, first is sleeping line and then from your center, from here, you will join standing line. So, we will get capital letter T. Now, children, see, sleeping line and standing line. So, in this letter also you can color of your choice. Write the first letter of the object. See, top and this is tortoise. So, you have to write the first letter and and the first letter is T. So how you will write? First sleeping line, and then from the center, standing line. T-O-P, top. Now next, tortoise. First is sleeping line, and then from your center you will join standing line like this. So we have completed the spelling tortoise. And in this objects, in this picture, you can color of your choice. Any color you can go of your choice. So children, this way you will complete by tracing, by coloring in the T. Here also you will color in the object, and first letter you will write, that is T. You will write here T. See, it's written. T says, what is the sound? T. So this way you will complete this page number 16. Now we are shifting to next page, that is page number 17, 17. So kids, open page number 17. This is page number 17. T. It's written, so many dotted lines are given in the page. See, there are 4 lines. Red line, blue line, and red line. This is capital letter T. So we will start from the red line, and we will start from your this first. Children, first is sleeping line. So we will start from here by, first of all, sleeping line pattern, and then from your center you will draw one standing line. Remember, I told you when you join standing line plus sleeping line, here also will get letter T. But first of all is, first you will make sleeping line pattern like this. This is sleeping line, and then from the center, from here, beach mein se, from here you will draw standing line. Again, sleeping line, and then from the center you will draw standing line. So we will get capital letter T. Again I will show you. First which line? Standing line? No, first is sleeping line. So sleeping line pattern, and from your center you will draw standing line. Children, do it slowly. Standing line, sorry, sleeping line, and then standing line. Sleeping line and standing line. So this way you will join the dots to complete this capital letter T, and same way you will complete this page by joining the dots carefully. So everyone is clear now. This way you will join the dots to get capital letter T. One more time children, I will show you. First is sleeping line pattern you will draw. Sleeping line pattern like this. Sleeping line and then standing line. From here, straight line. So this way you will complete this page. Children, so you have learned today capital letter T, and I know you all are very good scholars, and you all will complete page number 16 and 17. That's all for the day. Thank you.